So right now we're making a name tag. Actually made a tutorial video that we're going to play on there. How to make in 5 minutes? Yeah, in 5 minutes of how to learn how to make a name tag. Because honestly, learning the software isn't that hard at all. It's daunting because you hear on the news like it's this new crazy new technology, you can make anything you want. But really, you just need to put in, say, 10 minutes of your time and you can learn anything you really want.
What kind of things can you make?
So first of all, this name tag, as I said, learned in 5 minutes. The glasses took me about 4 days or so. That's just to learn, to model it, then the entire process took about 2 weeks. But as you get better, as you get more versed with the program you're using, you get faster at it, of course.
What would an example be of jobs that would be related to this?
You can obviously do art commissions, like say people, have you like everyone like, oh, I want this, or just like it's, you see like a lawn ornament or something like that, something small, something decadent, you say, I'd like that, but not willing to spend $20 on it. They can just go online, order it for $1, honestly.
Just need the software.
Yep.
Dang it.